Hey guys, it's Ashley Tube, and today I'm going to show you all of my slimes. All of them, like all of them. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so let's start showing you guys my slimes. Mine. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is this one that I got from my friend. Her name is Isabella. And yeah, it's in this cup. Straw. Let's open. She's really in love with pink, so she just gave me pink slime. Because why not? She loves pink. That's the only. All her slimes are all like pink, green, all those colors, all the pretty colors. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. That's pretty. Ooh, look at that. It's so pretty. Okay. Okay. Have fun laying down. Okay. Does it stretch as long as the table?
Well, actually, turn off the fan in the playroom.
Okay.
Hurry.
Okay.
On the switch. No, on the wall, on the wall, on the wall, on the wall, on the wall. By the door. Turn the light switch off, turns out.
Sorry, guys. Okay. Look at that. Okay, next slime. Coordinary. Okay. Next slime. So this is the next slime. It's called Foam Slime. Foam. And okay, one secret about myself is that like I literally spend like 2 hours of my day watching slime videos on Instagram or social media. It's coordinating. So I've made probably like watching your slimes on like Instagram account. No lie. No lie. Okay, this slime is amazing. Next line. Line went off. There we go. Put it in. Oh, there we go.
You want pepperoni or cheese?
Pepperoni. Next slime. Next slime. So this slime is called Cloud Slime, and yeah, it smells really good. I put a lot of lotion in this one, so it smells really good. Smell it. By the way, I don't know who to call you guys. So I guess I'm just going to call you guys Cookies. Comment down below what I should call you guys. The tubers. The tubers. Okay. That's really a bad one, but okay. I'll call you guys the tubers, but just comment down below. Who do you want me to call you guys? Sorry. There we go. Next slime. This is Jiggly Slime. So yeah, this slime I had little tiny, remember those little tiny jiggly slimes? I had it all together and it was all black and yucky. So guess what I did? I kept it like that, and this is its final request. The only thing that it doesn't look black anymore, it's because I used the prettiest colors of crayons into my slime, and then I left it inside the container with crayons for a little while, and then I just looked at the slime and I'm like, this is so good slime. And then now I just fell in love with it. No lie. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm going to show you guys this mess that I just made. It's a big mess. This is what I came up with. Yeah. Let's clean this one up somehow. Listen. Ooh, that is the most satisfying sound I've ever heard. Oh, this is so stretchy. See if it can go all the way to the table. Ooh. Okay, next slime. Next slime. So this, I don't know what slime this is because it has sand in it and it's red, glittery slime. So, comment down below what slime you think this is. I don't, because I obviously do not know. So it has sand in it. Sand. Kinetic sand. I put red glitter glue in it. That's why it's glittery. So yeah. Oh, I guess it's like foam sand slime. Did I just invent my own slime? It's called sand slime. Dun dun. No, 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 no. Look at this beauty. Let's make a bubble again. Oh, 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 oh. And oh, that is the most satisfying sound I've ever heard. Oh, that is amazing. Oh, no. There you go. Next slime. This one is so big. It's 3 pounds. Look at this. I'm going to try to make a bubble. So I'm going to rip a little, the half of the slime. So I'm going to put, going to stretch there, like that. Keep it all together. There. And I'm going to keep it like that. Oh, I made slime in the middle, so I'm going to like this part. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Don't touch my bubble. No. So that's it of this video. So bye, tubers. So whoever, bye. This is then vlog. Bye. Oh, oops. I have to put my hand. Bye. Boom. Oh shoot, that's my glitter on my hand. Sorry.